Making a lovely brown sugar cinnamon cream cheese spread by using our PowerChef system. First off, you get your favorite brand of cream cheese. Put the whole bar of the cream cheese inside the PowerChef system. Once it's in there, go ahead and start pulling at the string so it is mixed nice and well. We add 2/3 cups of brown sugar using our awesome Tupperware measuring cups. Next, use our Tupperware measuring spoons, adding 1 teaspoon of cinnamon sugar, as well as a dash of nutmeg, or in my case, I actually put 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, which is only optional. And then lastly, a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Once you have put all those ingredients in, put the lid back on top of your PowerChef and start tugging away until thoroughly blended. Alright, once it's done, you can see clearly that it's nice and blended. You go ahead and add the spread into your favorite Tupperware dish. In this case, I'm using freezer meat. And go ahead and spread the spread on top of your favorite bagels, apples, or even your graham crackers. And then you will enjoy this nice, delightful, tasty treat.